What's up, guys? We just picked up some titanium tip Msport exhaust tips. I'm pretty sure for the price that I got for these are some Alibaba Chinese versions, but hey, everything's made from China, man. That's what people need to realize. Whatever is on your car, 9 times out of 10, bro, that's made from China. So, hey, let's cut the middleman and just buy straight from China, right? Let's see how these are. Ooh. Damn, these are sick. Yo, these are nice. Look at these. Oh my gosh. All right, well, let's get the other one opened and get it installed. But this is a little different than the other one. This has a clamp instead of the M5 had a little Allen key install, but this has a clamp. So this install is a little different. So just take note of that.